Here we go, MMTs, IGM, iShares, Trust. It's an S&P tech-related index. S&P tech, S&P, iShares, S&P. Now, when we put that drop-down bottom in and we consolidated a number of days, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Now, you would tie this to the TQQQ, the SQQQ, the TYP, and the TYH. It's a related tech. And when we were burning here, there's another ETF that would be a bear side one to it, and we already know what that is, but it's how you correlate these instruments together. What I will say is we haven't popped a daily buy signal yet. I will say, though, that with all of the other ones that we've done in our training today for MMTs is understanding where these markets are before we go into that earnings season in year 2011, July 11th. We start then on that date. Then we're going to go through all those earnings, and you can tell here that using various different ETFs right along with key indexes in tech and other sector indices is that we started to break these downtrends right about here. It was right about here, this diagonal trend line. This is where these tops kept making their lower lows down here now. Okay? And when you come off of this here, you kind of short-term broke that trend right here. When you come down through here, it matches perfectly right here. And you popped up above that trend line going this way. The thing about it is understanding where the rallies are, how oversold they were. Oversold. They were great shorts up here as we did all of these because why? Everything was extremely overbought. How to apply ETFs, long and short. How to diversify risk management. How to get paid several times on a directional movement. How to key and correlate those prices into each other. And then have a very well developed, written out plan with every parameter and every single chart. The reason why we're doing these is because we have spent most of our holiday weekend going over them. We're going into a major catalyst for earnings season. And the thing about it is we have broke some pretty good downtrends on the way back up, and parabolically 5 days right along with the rest of the rally, right along with this MACD putting its bottom when it pops a buy signal. This is going to be a major resistance level. Then we're going to get up. That's the top of these tops. That's going to run right across up here a little bit right there. That would be the high if it breaks through it. The thing about it that I will caution people once again is identifying oversold. I was oversold here at 6.55% DS. Now, in this particular ETF, I'm short-term overbought at 87.75%. So that means when I go up and hit resistance in this tech, right along with the rest of them, I'm going to be looking at where that bear ETF is at the bottom and where things start to change, so I know where to start putting on my risk management trades. This is once again a major S&P tech index, IGM iShares. We must watch that and correlate that with the other ones that we did today.